the student faculty ratio. So while taking admission in any college, you need to see that that college should have proper student faculty ratio. And you should also see that how college is working on skill enhancement of students, because that is very important. And you should also see that the alumni of college, where they are working right now, what is their pay scale. So all these points should be considered while taking admission in any college.
Well, Palak ma'am, how do you feel Axis is unique for pursuing BR?
See, a college can be wonderful in every other way, but the academic opportunities don't serve your goal. So what we focus is on academics. We have clear direction about academics. Like I have earlier told in the last question, I've told few points that have to be considered while taking admission. So we are registered with Council of Architecture, we are affiliated with AKTU, and we have proper student faculty ratio. We are actually fulfilling all the requirements that need to be there in any architecture college. And the best part is that all our faculties are working in field, so they are practicing architect as well. So our students get the best exposure which is required in this field, because in architecture you need much of exposure to enhance your skills, to upgrade yourself. So all these points are considered while we are designing our academic curriculum. Architecture needs lot of traveling, so that students can explore different places, so that students can see different buildings. But in this time of COVID, in this pandemic time, our students are not able to visit those places. So we have created a virtual platform from where students can explore different places of the world by sitting in their home. So this is how we are enhancing our pedagogy, and we are working for our students. We have also signed 2 MOUs with CII, IGBC and SOHM, which is a platform for gaining your knowledge towards green building and sustainability. As we all know that green building is the need of future, and we need sustainable architecture for future.